The Hare and the Tortoise, a Lebre e a Tartaruga. A Story from Greece, uma história da Grécia. One day, Hare and Tortoise are in the park. Um dia, a Lebre e a Tartaruga estão no parque. I do athletics. I can run fast. Eu faço atletismo. Eu posso correr rápido, says Hare, diz a Lebre. You can't run fast. Você não consegue correr rápido. I don't run. Eu não corro. I walk. Eu caminho. But I don't stop. Mas eu não paro, says Tortoise, diz a Tartaruga. Let's have a race. Vamos apostar uma corrida. Ok, says Hare. Ok, diz a Lebre. The race starts. A corrida começa. Hare runs and Tortoise walks. A Lebre corre e a Tartaruga caminha. Soon, Hare is hot. Logo, logo, a Lebre está quente. Look, a swimming pool. Olhe, uma piscina, says Hare, diz a Lebre. He goes swimming. Ele vai nadar. Then he sits down next to a tree. Depois ele senta próximo a uma árvore. Tortoise walks and walks. A tartaruga anda e anda. Tortoise sees Hare. A tartaruga vê a Lebre. But Hare doesn't see Tortoise. Mas a Lebre não vê a tartaruga. Hare is asleep. A Lebre está dormindo. Later, mais tarde, Hare wakes up. Hare, a Lebre acorda. He runs very fast, but it's too late. Ele corre bem rápido, mas é tarde demais. You're the winner, Tortoise. Você é a vencedora, tartaruga, says Hare, diz a Lebre. Parabéns, well done, muito bem. Thank you, obrigada, says Tortoise, diz a tartaruga. You can be slow and win. Você pode ser vagaroso e vencer. Our values, qual o valor que essa história quer passar pra gente? Take your time. Fique no tempo que você precisar para fazer as coisas. Tudo no seu tempo, ok? E o legal é que ela fala aqui, você pode ser vagaroso, mas ainda assim vencer.
PinkFong. The Tortoise and the Hare. There was once a tortoise that slowly crawled through a forest. Boing, boing. A bouncing hare saw the tortoise and made fun of him.
Make way! Make way! I'm bouncing through! Hey, Slowpoke, didn't you hear me? Move out of the way!
The angered tortoise stopped walking and said,
Hey, let's race to the top of the mountain and see who gets there faster.
You think you can beat me? Fine, let's do it! Ready, set, go!
So Hare bounced away and Tortoise slowly crawled. Boing, boing, and away went Hare. While Slowpoke Tortoise crept and crawled with bullets of sweat dripping down.
Now where is Tortoise? Wow, he is so far behind. It'll take him forever to catch up. So, I think I'll take a nap.
While Hare slept, Tortoise never stopped walking. Balump, balump. Sure enough, Tortoise crawled past sleepy-head Hare, and he crawled to the top of the hill.
Hey, Hare! I beat you! Ha 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 ha!
Huh? What? What's going on?
Hare woke up and scurried up the hill. But it was too late. Tortoise was already resting under a tree at the top of the mountain.
No, this can't be. I lost to Slowpoke Tortoise.